Ladies and gentlemen, here's my disease. Give me a standing ovation and your sympathy.
Oh! Oh,
I saw something fly off.
That's gotta hurt.
Oh,
Yeah,
a bit
I
fly
felt
off,
that.
but it's all in. I think it's all this side. I'm not sure where the plane landed. In his stuff.
Yes, you're right, it's this side. Nothing. Only one thing's come off.
Let's have a look there. Oh,
You reckon?
oh dear.
It's easier to get at.
Keeps your feet this job, doesn't it?
I'm not going to let that stop me. I seem to spend more time fetching it than flying it. Ooh! Where's that gone? Yeah, somewhere in this lot. Now then, I think there's a second row of trees somewhere. Ah, it's there. Oh, it's found some thorns. Oh, poor little thing. It's alright though. Okay, let's just tuck my battery back in. Yes, he's fine. Well, that was its best flight ever. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Ooh. Ooh, we've damaged the edge of the wing. Oh no. Ooh. But that was a flight though, all the same, wasn't it? That was a flight. Yes. Oh, yes. Here it is. Again. I just keep losing the spinner. There we go. It's a tough little thing.
Quack, quack, oops.